Mom. Huh? This expired in 2017.
No.
It's still good. I used
Oh
it.
no. 2015? I'm not risking my life.
No, I don't use it for cooking or nothing.
Mama,
it's expired. That don't matter.
08/11 of 2018.
January 23rd, that's expired. Gotta go. She's having a heart attack. It's January 23rd, it expires.
Expired in August of 2012.
Hell no. Bag number 2. Be so for real.
August of 2015. Not that bad.
That's expired.
No, it's not. What does it say? 2014. That was like yesterday. Just a suggestion. Tastes fine. Tastes great.